All right, guys, time to break a new product. First time we've broken 2019 Origins football. So you got 7 cards per box. You got 3 hits. Hopefully we can pull a Kyler Murray or a Dwayne Haskins or Daniel Jones or one of those guys. So let's see what we can get. Here is the rundown for the Onyx. We got Brandon K with the Seahawks, Chris R with the Ravens and Raiders, Christopher C with the Steelers. We got Derek M with the Bills, Panthers, Bengals, Broncos, Jags, Chargers, and Dolphins. John L with the Browns. Luis has got the Patriots. Megan B with the Vikings. Nicole's got the Cardinals, Falcons, Cowboys, Lions, Packers, Colts, Chiefs, Rams, Saints, Jets, Eagles, 49ers, Bucks, Titans, and Redskins. Richard T with the Texans, and then Richard T.H. with the Texans, and then Richard T.U. has got the Chicago Bears. All right, here we go. Seen some really great stuff pulled out of here by other breakers. Had one breaker pull me a Dwayne Haskins auto. So I know there's some good stuff. I've not seen a Kyler Murray auto yet. All right, base cards first. You got Todd Gurley to $2.99 for the Rams. Come on. He got drafted in the first round in my fantasy league tonight, and the guy didn't know that he wasn't in good shape. Got Adam Thielen, number to 10. Nice one there for the Vikings. Somebody in the break room was like, "Hey man, his knee's pretty jacked up. I'm not sure where he's gonna play, how much he's gonna play." And the guy was like, "Are you serious?" All right, got Aaron Donald, another Rams. Got a Luke Kuechly, Carolina Panthers. So that'll do it for the base. Now let's see what hits we can pull out of here. All right, first up we got a Hunter Renfrow to $1.99. Next up, we got another Ram. This time, Darrell Henderson. Nice low number to 25. We pulled a Baker. I think we only did one box of 18 Origins and pulled a Baker Mayfield to 25 auto. Darrell Henderson, not quite the same. All right, and then the last hit is going to be a Deebo Samuel. Nice jumbo relic auto going out to San Francisco. And that'll do it for 2019 Origins. So I've got one more box of this. We'll do coming up in the next couple weeks. So it actually will go live on eBay this week. So be on the lookout for that. And hopefully we can pull one of the big quarterbacks out of the next one.